And welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could check if your laptop computer is compatible with Windows 11. To do that, we will click on the Windows button menu or the Start button. Click on the Settings option on the left. Here, you will need to go to Update and Security. Once loaded, you will see the option Get Ready for Windows 11. We will click Check Hardware Requirements. The next step, we will scroll down, we'll see System Requirements. We are going to click on PC Health Check App. We are going to click on Continue to the Windows site. Normally, the download should start automatically. If not, we are going to click Download PC Health Check App. Save as. You want to make sure to save it somewhere where you want it to be saved. Click Save. It will take just a few seconds or up to 1 minute until it's totally downloaded. Let's open the file where the app has been saved. Double click on the application. I accept the terms in the license and agreement, and you can go ahead and click Install. We're going to click Open Windows PC Health Check. Finish. So here we will have the app. So we are going to click Check Now. We are going to click See All Results. So here, everything which is shown in green, it means it's okay. So here, for example, this PC supports secure boot, TPM enabled, the processor is supported for Windows 11, there is at least 4 GB of system memory, the system disk is 64 GB or larger, and the processor has 2 or more cores. So once it shows you everything green, it means that your computer is 100% compatible with Windows. So you can go ahead and click Hide All Results once you are done. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys to check your computer compatibility. If you are still in need of help or assistance, leave us a comment or send us an email and we will do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us to create more video tutorials by clicking like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new